Hello guys, it's your girl Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's probably been about 3 weeks, and today you might have noticed by the title, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be reviewing some shoes that I bought from Steve Madden. I keep wanting to say Michael Kors, but Steve Madden. I bought these shoes maybe they got delivered maybe almost a week ago, and I've been wanting to make this video, so I have not unboxed them, and I'm really excited to see what I got. Or to see the product in person. I already know what I got because I purchased it online. But anyway, these shoes have been fire, okay? I mean, people have been talking about these shoes. They're all over Facebook, at least in my feed. Maybe, there's some algorithm that's seeing what I'm looking at online. But yeah, definitely these shoes are really cute. They are kind of reminiscent of the shoes that I had from Steve Madden before. Yes, they are sneakers. I don't really wear a lot of like Nike, Jordan, whatever. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of Jordans before. Actually, no, I haven't. And I don't think I've ever owned a pair of Nikes before, y'all. Okay. Hold your arrows. I don't know. I'm just like a really girly girl, and I don't really like wearing gym shoes, and any gym shoes that I do buy is probably from Walmart. Not that there's anything wrong with Walmart, but I don't wear gym shoes enough to be purchasing really expensive gym shoes. That all changed maybe in 2018 when I bought my first pair of, I would call them luxury gym shoes because they're not like Nike or Jordan or Feli's or anything like that. These are just like really girly, really sparkly, cute shoes. And so I really like them. I actually have them right here. So these are the shoes that I bought. And as you can see, they're old. They've got a little discoloration here on the side, somewhere around here. But I've had these shoes for probably like 2.5 years. So since November 2018. And I literally wear those shoes all the time. I get compliments on them all the time. People are like, oh, they're so different, you know. Side note, my husband told me when I first got them, I was so excited about them. He said, oh, those shoes look like Dalmatian shoes. So yeah, he was saying these look like Dalmatian shoes and that he didn't think they were cute. And then I just wore them because I really liked them, and I got compliments everywhere. And now 2.5 years later, my husband's changed his mind and he thinks that they are really cute on my feet. So yeah, I don't know why I told that story, but I love my gym shoes. So I wear them all the time. I've worn them like at least 5 or 6 times a month for the past 2.5 years. So yeah, it's time for a new pair. And I saw these online, and so I just knew I had to have them. They come in all different types of colors. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. This is actually the first video I've done of this kind. So guys, bear with me because is my hair out of whack? Bear with me because I have never done this before. So I'm going to be kind of awkward with it probably. All right, so I'm going to open up these shoes. I got my trusty scissors here. I did get these shoes from... Oh my gosh, it's upside down. I got these shoes from Dillard's, as you can see, for no particular reason other than the fact that I had a gift card from Dillard's. And so I was like, I'm going to go ahead and use my gift card because obviously you can't use a Dillard's gift card at Steve Madden. So it kind of worked out. I'll tell you guys about pricing and everything for the shoes, all that good stuff. Let me try to just focus on opening up these shoes real quick. So yeah, let's look at this. So pricing for the shoes, $99. So yeah, these shoes were $99 and so were my other shoes. So that's pretty consistent of Steve Madden, very consistent. These shoes were about $100, but you know, when I applied my gift card, I paid less than that. And then also shipping and handling, of course. So yeah, got those. Opening up the box. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. Oh, Steve Madden. Just so I say this, literally all my shoes are either Steve Madden, whether they're heels or sneakers, Steve Madden, Jessica Simpson, lots of Jessica Simpson, or Michael Kors. Got a little Calvin Klein sprinkled in here and there, but I love my Steve Madden, Jesse's, and my Michael Kors. So yeah. So open. This is the first time I'm seeing these shoes, okay? So they better be the right ones, okay? Oh my goodness. Here they are, you guys. Let me make sure my hands are clean. I washed my hands because these are light. So yeah, here are the new sneakers here. Quite the upgrade, right, from these. I mean, I love these shoes. I love these shoes a lot, but I've worn them so much and they're actually dirty on the bottom, so yeah. But yeah, so here are the new shoes. Let me move this box out the way because I need some more room for my arm over here. But yeah, here are the new Steve Madden shoes. They're so sparkly. I don't even know if this if this lighting in here and the camera is doing it justice. I love them, you guys. I saw these online and I thought to myself, I gotta have those shoes. They've got these in so many different colors, but I just love silver sparkle, especially on shoes. I love the clear soles on them. Sorry, I'm trying to think, like, what are you saying? I love these clear soles. Of course, I love the sparkle. I like that the sparkle goes all around the shoe too. Goes all around the shoe. So, yeah, and then it has the little Steve Madden here at the top. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like the little Steve Madden there at the top. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these. Also, I want to say how on the back it has the Steve Madden emblem there, and then on the side it has some type of writing here. I don't know, but SM, Steve Madden, and then whatever those numbers mean. But it's a cute shoe. I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these shoes. I'm actually very happy. Right now I'm going to try them on and let you guys see what they look like on my feet. And then you guys tell me what you think. Finished trying on the shoe and walking around in them a little bit in my carpeted room. And so just my final thoughts on the shoe. I absolutely love the shoe. Love it a lot. Like I said, love the sparkle. I like the structure of the shoe. I like the stitch work on the shoe. Very well made. I will say that if you read the reviews online about these shoes, you'll see that more people than not, they say that the shoe is kind of tight around the toe part. I wouldn't say it's tight. I would say it's snug. It's a very stretchy material at the top. So it could be a thing of, okay, maybe you need to wear them a little bit in order to like break out the shoe or break in the shoe. So it could be that, or it could be that maybe the shoe is not going to stretch anymore and maybe you need to size up. So a lot of the reviews online said to size up at least a half size. So I'm thinking that I'm leaning more toward maybe I should have sized up maybe a half size. Instead, I bought my true to size, because in my case, a lot of times if I buy a shoe that's like a half size bigger, sometimes it just doesn't fit well. I don't know, it's just too big. And then maybe my normal size, which is a size 9, it's a little snug, but then after wearing it a while, it kind of stretches out. So like I said, it's not a thing of if it hurts or if it's too tight or if I don't feel comfortable walking around in them. I do feel comfortable walking around in them. I don't think it's tight. I believe it's snug. But what am I going to do about it? So I have a Dillard's down the street from my house. So I'm planning to go to Dillard's to see if they have a 9.5, maybe try those on to kind of see, okay, do I like the way the 9.5 feels, or do I need to stay with the 9 and then just let the shoe stretch a little bit the more. With all that said, I am very happy with the shoe. I would buy it again, and I'm definitely going to buy other colors. I think I might get the jet black with the sparkles on it. If you guys want to see more content like this, let me know. I'll try to make videos that you guys want to see. I do a lot of lifestyle videos, mommy videos, travel videos. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll make a video. Hit that like button and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.